Me, manners! Don't forget!
Mimi was super excited. Today she was shopping with her mommy at a big, bright toy store. So many colorful toys smiled at her from the shelves. Mimi found a bouncy ball and rolled it down the aisle. Then she saw a tower of blocks. Zoom! She pulled them all down to build a tall castle. But then she spotted a soft teddy bear and quickly moved on, leaving the blocks scattered. Mommy saw the blocks on the floor. She knelt down and gently said, "Mimi, sweetie, it's fun to play, but when we take toys out, we need to put them back nicely. Imagine if everyone left toys everywhere. It would be a big mess." Mimi looked at the blocks and then at her mommy's kind face. She hadn't thought about it like that. "Oh," she whispered. Mommy helped her pick up the blocks, showing Mimi where each one belonged. With a big smile, Mimi put the last block back. "All tidy," she cheered. Mommy gave her a warm hug. Mimi felt happy and proud, knowing she had helped keep the store neat for all the other children.